My Intrinsic Mind presents manifesting your desires instantly in 5 minutes a day or less. This proven technique can start working right away and change your entire life in 30 days' time. What we think and believe throughout our lives creates neural pathways that confirm these beliefs and manifest circumstances accordingly. In turn, the more we confirm these beliefs, the more the neural pathways strengthen and continue to manifest positive or negative experiences for us according to what we have believed. Our thoughts dictate all of our experiences throughout the course of our lives. Accordingly, if you believe that you always have bad luck and that bad things always happen to you, this will strengthen neural pathways that believe this, and manifestations of bad luck will likely occur. On the other hand, if you focus on positivity and happy thoughts, this will also strengthen these pathways, and manifestations of positive outcomes will most likely occur. With repetition and continuous belief, these pathways will create themselves and not ever change unless we give them reason to. In order to change circumstances in your life, new neural pathways must both be created and strengthened. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Place the inside of your open hand on your forehead with your palm touching your skin. This area is known as the frontal lobe. In the world of chakras, it is known to be where the third eye is located, which is mainly responsible for clairvoyance, intuition and spiritual wisdom. In the back of the head is the area known as the occipital lobe, which is primarily responsible for vision. Additionally, place the inside of your other open hand on the back of your head. Not the top of the head, but where the skin on your head starts to be positioned vertically on your scalp. Remember, the back of your head, not the back of the top of your head. By placing your hands on these areas of the head, you are sending waves of energy from the back of your head to your third eye chakra. Regarding whatever it is in which you wish to manifest, vividly imagine what this thing feels, looks and sounds like. What is the energy it gives off? Take a moment to really feel the actuality and reality of this item or thing. Name this object out loud. For example, if it's an airplane you're after, you could say, 2021 Boeing 747 Jumbo Jet S-Class with a jacuzzi and sauna inside. Try to conjure up a statement that has 3 to 5 features that this particular thing has. There's no need to name any more of these features or say, I am, or I have. Simply state this thing and its qualities several times with authority. Do this repeatedly for 30 seconds to a minute. Feel the emotion you feel while stating the above. Name that emotion or with several names, like happy, peaceful or exciting. Really feel these emotions and make them very present in your awareness. If this makes you feel good, smile while doing this action. As you do this, repeat this phrase, this is my new truth and my new reality. By doing this, you are strengthening the neural pathways that say all of this is true. You are openly declaring that it is the new true reality of your life. Now the brain will step into action and start to make this reality for you. While continuing to keep your hands on your head, open your eyes and continue to feel the confirmation of your newfound truth. Keep your head still and move only your eyes from the left side to the right side several times. This will stimulate the left and right hemispheres of the brain simultaneously. When both sides of the brain come together in unity, the effect increases with multiplicity. It strengthens your brain to believe what you really want it to. Do this eye movement exercise 10 to 20 times. Do this entire exercise for 2 to 3 minutes every day for at least 30 days or more. By doing so, you begin to immensely strengthen neural pathways to attract what you want. Over time, you will start to naturally change your neurons and pathways to create the life you want more easily and naturally. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell. Again, thank you.